Welcome to ACOKnowledge, the Knowledge Academy online. This video is concerned with the introduction of the theme, Digi, Nano and biotechnologies. A picture is worth 1,000 words. And that's why we prefer videos to textbooks. Only when you know the why of things can you master them. Which are the most important developments in digital technologies? Which are the most important developments in nanotechnologies? Which are the most important developments in biotechnologies? Why is there a tendency to integrating Digi plus Nano plus Bio? The advancements in digital technologies are many, and the most important and paradigm-shifting ones are discussed here. Some examples are as follows. Artificial intelligence or AI, quantum computers, DNA computers, the Internet of Things, and many more. The advancements in nanotechnologies are many, and the most important and paradigm-shifting ones are discussed here. Some examples are as follows. Graphene, metamaterials, aluminum oxynitride or ALON, self-healing materials, and many more. The advancements in biotechnologies are many, and the most important and paradigm-shifting ones are discussed here. Some examples are as follows. Molecular self-assembly, genetic engineering, tissue engineering and regenerative medicine, and many more. The convergence of digital, nano and biotechnologies is of the utmost importance and is discussed here. Convergence is at the core of the great changes that will shape the civilization of the future. Learn about what is new in this area of knowledge and why it is so disruptive. Please log on to ACOKnowledge.org to learn more about Digi, Nano and biotechnologies.